Hey guys, this is Brilliant Diva Skincare, and if today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. And to my old subscriber guys, thank you so much. Thank you for your patience. I know that I have not been coming online. Yes, I have not been coming online because of business and then online training. So guys, in this video, this is anti-acne facial serum, a blemish serum for hyperpigmentation, for blemish skin, for pimples, and for rough skin. So in this facial serum, the active ingredient I used in making this serum is salicylic acid. Of course, salicylic acid is used for any kind of problem that have to do with pimples, acne, and skin blemishes. So guys, sit back and watch how I put this ingredient together. And also I'm going to be turning this this serum into a facial wash. Yes, in my next video I will be turning this serum into a facial wash. So please make sure to turn on your notification bell so that you will get notified when I dropped that video how to turn this same serum into a facial wash, like to wash your face against acne and pimples. So yeah, I have my water face. So I have three types of water face in here. I have my glycerin here, I have my hydrosol, I have my fruit acid, and then yeah, I have what again? Yes, glycerin, fruit acid, and hydrosol. Okay, here is the dissolved salicylic acid. Okay, I dissolved it with the propanidol. You can use propylene glycol to dissolve. So this is my aloe vera powder, and this is the sodium citrate. This is what is going to make your serum not to crystallize. Okay, and here is the hyaluronic acid, and this is So guys, this is the next day of this formulation of making this serum. Yes, because when I was making the serum, the powder that I added last was the hyaluronic acid powder. In the video, you can see that I covered it with a foil paper and I kept it inside my fridge so that the powder can easily dissolve, because it is very difficult, or it is hard for hyaluronic acid to dissolve inside water, or you can dissolve it with alcohol, but I don't want to use alcohol. So I added the hyaluronic acid into the solution and I kept it inside the fridge for 12 hours, and this is the next day. Okay, the powder is just going to gently dissolve on its own. Okay, so if you add hyaluronic powder inside your water, it is not going to dissolve unless you keep it inside the fridge. Thanks for watching, and bye.